Bonjour, je m'appelle Mike, j'habite à Brentry. Quelle est la date de mon anniversaire? Novembre. J'adore diamond painting and chocolate. But today we are doing a diamond painting, and this specific painting has been on my wish list for some time, probably about half a year or so, because it's just not been the right price I wanted to pay. And yesterday it dropped down to £5, and I thought, yeah, I'm having that. So this is a 30 times 40, and as you can see, it's a butterfly on a flower. So I had to get this. This came today through Amazon, and if we get into it, can't wait to do this. I have a big passion. I'm part of the butterfly conservation, so I donate £3.15 every month for being a member. And I absolutely love butterflies. I think I got it from my mum because my mum is basically obsessed with them. Everything in the house is butterflies. Curtains, lights, everything. But yeah, as you can see, we've got a standard boat there. And let's take a look at the painting itself. I can tell this is... Oh my God, look how vibrant that looks. Oh wow, so this is a 30 times 40, as you can see. We've got all the colours of the rainbow, 24 colours there. Red and orange and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. Anyway, but this, the first thing when I opened this, it's this, right round here, you know, the orange and the yellow, that really pops it for me. And then you go down here, look how vibrant that looks. Gee whiz, oh my God. And then I got the... you got like the indigo, the butterfly. I can tell this might be a lot of colour blocking. I'm not too sure what that's for. I think someone's just had a bad day and squirted paint down it. Perhaps not, but... And then we got this fiery red, the blue with the poppy seed there. This is a gorgeous painting. I'm really happy with this. 30 times 40. As I said, when you do unboxings, you never really know what it's going to turn out like until you get it in person, and this is absolutely stunning. I'm really happy with this. So let's put that over to one side. I'm really happy with that. Let's take a look at the jewels here. Yeah, they're rounds. I keep forgetting, I pledged for the new year that I would move to square jewels, and I still ain't got around to doing that. I keep forgetting, I just go by picture, and I need to look before buying to see if they're squares, because I want to move to squares. As you can see, some lilacs, some, let's do it the other way actually. So in here we've got, oh, look at that, that's gorgeous. So all sorts of lovely colours here, purples, greens, that red and orange, wow, you need sunglasses for that. That is vibrant as, yeah, orange, bit of yellow. That's a nice colour. Blues, reds, greens. Oh, dark green. That always reminds me of the Eddie Stobart build that I'm building. And as you can see, lots of lovely colours there. So really good. Let's put that over to one side. We've also got some other ones down here, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. Really lovely. As you can see, really lovely indeed. So yeah, I hope you like that video. If you want to get this for yourself, I'll put the link in the description of the video. Apologies, a bit dark here. Normally when it gets to 4 o'clock we lose daylight, so we've got such a short gap to get as much filming done as possible, and the thing that eats up the time is uploading the video. Waiting for it to upload to then take off my phone. But we will be seeing you again next Friday for the next unboxing. And yeah, really love this one. But yeah, I do also have an Amazon wish list. If you feel like you want to buy me a painting, I do have a wish list dedicated to diamond painting, and there's lots of on there, lots of ones on there that I want that are currently out of stock. But yeah, you don't have to, you're not obliged to, but every little helps, as Tesco says. And I know a lot of you like to buy me gifts because you're such lovely people. But yeah, anyway, so if you want to get this, the link's in the description. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of other videos that I do, and I'll see you next time. Bye.